In this lecture, you're going to learn how to add copyright-free related images from Google Images to your website. So let me tell you an example for the term interior design examples. So these are the results, that is the normal web results. Now go to images. Until this step, you would have done earlier for finding related images. But what's so special in this lecture? When you click on some pictures that you like, then Google may say you that images may be subject to copyright. There is a serious issue in this picture because I have seen several webmasters who paid fine of more than $8,000 to $10,000 for posting a copyright picture which they are not aware of. So hereby I make you aware of this thing and don't make the same mistake those webmasters have done. So how to take a copyright free related images? For the same term interior design examples, go to search tools and then click on usage rights. Then if you are using this image for non-commercial reuse, then select labeled for non-commercial reuse with modification. If you are using for commercial purpose or if you are going to monetize the page in which you are going to post this image, then choose labeled for reuse with modification. If you're not going to modify the image or if you're not going to even watermark it, then you can choose labeled for reuse. Now all these images are copyright free images. You can use them in your website and you will not be fined for using them. But in this lecture, I am going to tell you some other criteria with which you can even narrow down your results. First one is if you want a cartoon or a clipart, then go to type and then choose clipart or line drawing. Then all the images that will appear will be a clipart. But if you want a photo, then click photo as the image type. You will get all the photos and the cliparts or drawings will be removed from this search result. Next, let's go to size. Most of you won't like a smaller images to be posted on your website because almost all the devices that users are using have got high resolution displays, right? So you may wish to choose large in the size to get a larger images such as above 1000 pixels in width and nearing to 1000 pixels in height. So none of these images will appear pixelated when you add them to your site. But if you're very particular about the size, you can go to larger than and then choose any size here. For example, if I choose larger than 2 megapixel, then all the images that appear will have the resolution more than 2 megapixels. Not only this, you can also narrow them down by color. That is, if you want a black and white interior design examples, then here it goes. All these images are black and white interior design examples. If you want a particular color, for example green, then you can choose green and here are the green. If you want to narrow them down using time, that is past 24 hours or past week or custom range, then you can choose a date here. Also, you can opt to show the sizes of these images. When you choose show sizes, then the dimensions of these images will be displayed at the bottom of each of them. At last comes the safe search. For some terms, you may come across some adult or pornographic images, and in such case, if you want to filter those search results, then go to safe search and click filter explicit results. This will also block those search results with high violence that are not meant for ages below 13. If at all you want to clear all these customizations or filters, then click clear to get the default interior design examples. This is how you can narrow down the search results and get copyright-free related images to be added on your website. In the next lecture, let's see the SEO factor, video integration.